Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Persian by Proshat. This letter is called Sheen, which sounds sh, and this one z, which sounds z, the same. And the Sheen, same like seen, has two forms: the separate form, which is written so, and the sticking form. And Sheen has 3 dots. You just need to add 3 dots to s, it becomes sh. Example, sh, a, m. Together, sham. Sham means dinner. And this is the easy writing form. I mean, sticking the dots to each other and making like a round shape. Sh plus e plus n plus a. Together, shena. Shena means swim or swimming. I'm gradually removing first the vowels, then sticking the dots to each other and teaching you how to write it faster. This is z. Example, b plus a plus z. Together, baz. Baz means open. Another example, z plus a plus r plus d equal to zard. Zard means yellow. Z plus e plus b plus r. Zebra. Zebra means rough. Thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with all the Persian lovers so that they can learn Persian easily. Stay tuned.